Who's excited to talk about division? Woohoo! I am. So here we go. Let's talk about this problem here. Now I'm going to use a little bit different of a problem than what is on your page. So this will be one of the only ones where you won't get your answer. However, I'll model what I'd like for you to do. So we're going to use the same divisor of 2, but we're going to say 74. Okay. Now this is not a number where I could just divide the tens by 2 and the units by 2. An example of that would be 68 divided by 2, because 6 divided by 2, or 60 divided by 2 is 33, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. This one's a little bit different because people would say, well, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Well, that's the same thing as 3.5, right? So what would 70 divided by 2 equal? 70 divided by 2 is 35. 4 divided by 2 is 2. If I add those together, that would be 37. So try this same philosophy here for the problem that's on your page. And if you need to watch it again, feel free to. Later in the year, probably late October, November, we'll be learning long division, which looks like, looks like this. And we'll learn a different method, which is kind of the old school way to do it. So I hope this right here helps you solve the problem on your page.